Hello friends, today for phonics you are going to be learning how to use word parts to figure out new words. So we are going to look at the words that are on this page, we're going to think about what we see, and we are going to use the parts that we know to figure out a new word. So over here it says, if you know, and we have the words it and play. If you know the words it and play, those words can help us figure out these words over here on the right side. So let's take a look. We already know this sight word is it. It. Let's look over here. We have the same ending, so we notice the ending is the same. We still have the I and the T, which says it, but now we have a letter in the front of that word. What is the letter in the front of that word? That is an F, and an F makes the sound F. So if we have F, it, and we put those together, it makes the word fit. F, it, fit. Let's look at this word. We know this word is play. Play, play. Let's use that ending sound. We know the AY says A to figure out the new word. So we still have the same ending sound, A, but we have a new beginning sound. So we notice that beginning sound is different than from the word play. What is this first letter over here? What is this beginning sound? That is a D, and D says D. So let's put that ending sound and the beginning sound together. D, A, day. So if we know the smaller word it can help us to figure out the word it, fit. And if we know the ending part of this word play makes the A sound, then we can figure out the new word, A, day. We're going to look at some more words. So over here on the left side, what is this word? UP. Think about what that word is. UP spells up, up. So we know the UP makes the up sound, up. Now over here, we have the same ending, UP, which says up, but we're going to add a new beginning sound. What letter is that in the beginning? It's a C. What sound does a C make? C says K. So we're going to add those two sounds together. K, up, cup. So the word up can help us figure out the new word, cup. Let's look at the next one. G-O. What word is that? That is the word go. If we know G-O spells go, then let's look and see if we can figure out this new word. We still have the O at the end, and we just have a new beginning sound. What sound does that letter make? That is an N, and N says N. N-O, no. For your assignment, I am going to present you with some words and ask you, if you know this word, which word could you figure out? Which word could that help you know? So you're going to have a Google form. You're going to click where it says click here on the slideshow, and you are going to look at the word I give you and select the word that one could help you to figure out based on the parts that you know.